Okay. Who's at school? Aaron. Who else? Baby. What's she doing here?
What's your job today?
Do you have a job today, honey?
What is it? You know? You help clean.
Oh,
get
you
to help
clean up?
You get to help clean the tables.
Here you go, honey. So I can't resist.
Oh, you're.
I'll just take it. Okay. Good. Now go put that. You believe baby Allie's at school with you?
You're first.
Okay, let's go put it down. Where do you put it? Okay. Good job. Get it up there. And who lives in the backpack? Baby guy. Okay. All right, time for baby sister to go home and take her nap. Oh, she's having fun here. She's having fun at preschool. Oh, she's having fun at preschool. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.